An individual is only one manpower. Single-handedly, he can accomplish only a few works in a day. The only way he can achieve more is through delegation, through dividing his load and sharing his responsibility with others. Probably the most important of all the skills a manager must possess is delegation, the ability to get results through others. It involves the transfer of responsibilities and decision-making powers from one individual to another within an organization. Effective delegation is not merely a task assignment, it's a strategic tool that can enhance productivity, foster teamwork, and promote professional development. In this video, we will explore the importance of delegation, its benefits, challenges, and best practices for implementing it successfully. The importance of delegation. Efficiency and productivity. Delegating tasks allows leaders to concentrate on high-priority activities that require their specific skills and expertise. By distributing responsibilities, teams can work more efficiently, leading to increased productivity. Skill development. Delegation provides opportunities for team members to enhance their skills and gain valuable experience. Empowering individuals with decision-making authority helps them grow and develop professionally. Team empowerment. Delegating authority fosters a sense of ownership among team members. When individuals are assigned responsibilities, they feel valued and motivated to contribute actively to the organization's success. Risk management. Distributing authority across a team ensures that decision-making is not concentrated on a single individual. This mitigates the risks associated with potential errors and allows for a more resilient and adaptive organization. Let's discuss the principles of delegation of authority. 1. Parity between authority and responsibility. There should be complete parity between authority and responsibility. If authority is more than responsibility, people will misuse their authority, and if responsibility is more than authority, the result can never be achieved. 2. Responsibility in terms of result. Responsibility should be specific to a specific person because everybody's responsibility is nobody's responsibility. 3. Principle of unity of command. To avoid confusion, conflicts, and duplication of work orders, instructions and guidelines should flow to a subordinate from a single particular executive only. 4. Delegation of responsibility. Authority can be delegated, but responsibility and accountability cannot be delegated. By delegating authority, an executive does not escape from responsibility. He is, in addition, responsible for the acts of his subordinates as well. 5. Overlapping of responsibilities. While delegating authority, it must be ensured that the duties and responsibilities of subordinates do not overlap. If you find the video helpful, please like it, that will be helpful for this channel. Now move on to the challenges in delegation. Fear of losing control. Leaders may hesitate to delegate due to a fear of losing control. However, effective delegation is not about relinquishing control, but about entrusting responsibilities to capable individuals. Lack of communication. Inadequate communication can lead to misunderstandings and inefficiencies. Clear communication of expectations, timelines, and desired outcomes is crucial for successful delegation. Inadequate training. Delegating without providing the necessary training and resources can set individuals up for failure. Leaders must ensure that team members have the skills and knowledge required to fulfill their delegated responsibilities. Micromanagement tendencies. Some leaders struggle to strike a balance between overseeing tasks and micromanaging. It's essential to trust the capabilities of the team and allow them the autonomy to carry out delegated tasks. Best practices for effective delegation. Clearly define roles and responsibilities. Provide a clear understanding of the tasks, expectations, and outcomes associated with the delegated authority. This ensures that everyone is on the same page and reduces the likelihood of misunderstandings. Select the right person. Match tasks with team members' skills, strengths, and interests. Choosing the right person for the job increases the likelihood of success and enhances job satisfaction. Establish open communication channels. Foster an environment where team members feel comfortable asking questions and seeking clarification. Open communication is essential for addressing concerns and ensuring that delegated tasks progress smoothly. Provide adequate training and resources. Invest in the training and development of team members to equip them with the necessary skills and knowledge. Ensure that they have access to the resources required to fulfill their delegated responsibilities. Encourage feedback. Establish a feedback loop to allow team members to share their experiences and provide input on the delegation process. This helps leaders refine their approach and continuously improve the delegation process. If you want to read it in detail or download the PDF, go through the link in the description and don't forget to subscribe to Educationleaves.